Welcome to Vibe Quotes, where legendary minds meet modern vibes. Today's voice, Nelson Mandela, a man who spent 27 years in prison and still rose to inspire millions. Let's soak in his words and start our day with power. It always seems impossible until it's done. Big goals always look impossible until you actually do them. Start messy, start scared, just start. Even small steps move you forward. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Doesn't mean fancy schools. It means staying curious. Keep learning. Keep leveling up. Knowledge isn't just power, it's freedom. I am not a saint unless you think of a saint as a sinner who keeps on trying. Perfection isn't the goal. Persistence is. Fall. Get up. Repeat. That's how real growth happens. Resentment is like drinking poison and then hoping it will kill your enemy. Anger and hate weigh you down. Let go. Not for them, for your own peace. Protect your energy, not your ego. Courage is not the absence of fear. It's inspiring others to move beyond it. Being brave doesn't mean you're not scared. It means you keep moving anyway. And when you do, you light the way for others too. Nelson Mandela showed the world that resilience, peace, and purpose can break any chain. If he could rise from a prison cell to change the world, you can rise from whatever's holding you back. If today's words moved you, hit that like, drop a comment, and subscribe. This is Vibe Quotes, timeless wisdom, fresh energy.